Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Straight into it. It's Royal Mail delays in the compensation claims. I know you all come here to listen to me, but let's get straight to the facts. If you're experiencing delays with Royal Mail processing your claims at the moment, you're not alone. There is a wonderful new system, and we all know what new system means. It means improvement, making things better. And in this case, it's making things better for Royal Mail because they're not having to pay you out as fast. Now, I've never really had a bad experience with Royal Mail in the past. It has normally been 21 to 30 days within their timeline, and the check has normally arrived if they've approved my claim. Annoyed about the fact it's a check, and then I have to go through the rigmarole of photographing it and putting it on my app. But it was still a check. I have not experienced the few stamps in the post because normally, if I'm making a claim, it is around about the 20 to £100 mark. So they don't normally send stamps for that. So historically, it's been very good. But this new system they've got, it's actually having a massive impact to everyone that's making a claim. So if you are making a claim, leave your comments below. Let everybody know how long your claim's taken. Have you been one of the lucky ones that's got straight through and processed? Or are you like me, now waiting 5 weeks for one, 6 weeks for another? And I've just submitted a lost item claim yesterday. And what can we do? Trying to ring them out? Well, you've got more chance of actually getting a response or something happening than I don't know, your council tax going down. It's interesting because there seems to be nothing that we can do. Trying to contact them online, well, I can't figure it out. And the email addresses that I send to, you get an automated response and you get no real update. So it's like they've gone into the abyss. And the comments on the forums are, it is just a case of wait and let Royal Mail get on with it, or not get on with it, as the case may be. So let's break down the procedure and what can be done, if anything, if it's going to work. So they say allow 30 days. In the past, 30 days has been about right, but they also say allow up to 90 days. So 90 days is the magic number now. They have got up to 90 days to come back to you. So if you haven't received within 90 days, that's when you can escalate. But after 30 days, you can contact customer services. So I'm going to put the details up now, and as if by magic, either here or either here, the details will appear. I'll also put those in the description below. If you have received confirmation back and they've rejected it, or you haven't actually got anything back in the 90 days, you can actually go to an independent review. And I'm going to put the details up again, as if by magic, and you can email postal review at Royal Mail. And that is much like CEDR if you're in the airline world. That's where you've had enough, you've waited the 90 days, and you want somebody to independently get involved and get your claim moved. So there you go. It is just a case of wait and see at the moment. You can't go to review, or I'm not sure if you can or not, but I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't do it if 90 days or you haven't had the decision. Please correct me if I am wrong. I don't mind anyone correcting me if any of the information that I give is not as accurate as it should be. So there we have it. You're not alone. Royal Mail are experiencing huge problems in processing your claims. As always, please leave comments below. Thanks again, everybody.